What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, G3. Oh, man. Today is a good day. Today's a good day. Just got my Sheamoisture Sheabassador box. Okay. I'm about to show you what it is. First of all, I want to thank Sheamoisture for giving me this opportunity. We'll be posting high quality content, demos, okay, and real honest reviews. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in this box. Good box. The inside of the box was highly impressive, okay. Has different products on here that they have, what they are for, and inside the box, I got Curl and Shine Coconut Hibiscus Conditioner. I got, don't worry, I'm about to show you guys one by one, but there's some goods in here. All right, first, I got the Sheabassador. Welcome and congratulations on the class of 2019. On the inside, it has a message from the CEO. Huge message. I'm not going to do y'all like this, but I'm going to read it. Man, I'm so excited. Okay, so got that. Boom, boom, boom. And I got this. This is a card that explains ingredient transparency. And these are the things that's in my box. So on the inside, it gives you tips on how to use these things. So first, I got the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Shampoo. I got the notorious Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. I know you guys really want that review, okay? So I'm going to start there. Y'all already know I was rocking with the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner, okay? Then we got the 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Conditioner. You know I already rock with the coconut oil, okay? And then we got something interesting, okay? Sugarcane extract, metal foam seed leave-in treatment. And it also comes with a tip on how to use it, and I will be bringing a tip to life. Okay, so this is my beginning, my welcome pack. I will be demoing the the Hydrate and Repair Manuka Honey, and I'm going to pair it with the leave-in treatment. The leave-in treatment says that it can be used as a detangling pre-shampoo, pre-poo, okay? So that's going to be clutch, all right? So it's about to go down. Y'all already know. This is really the only new thing. Let me show it to you. This is pretty much the newest thing that I've never used. And this is getting rave reviews in the wave game right now. So I'll be reviewing this one first. It's for extremely dry and brittle hair, okay? And then this one's a leave-in treatment that can be used as a pre-poo. So I'm going to use this as a pre-poo. These two will be reviewed first. All right, first. This brush that came in the box, I don't think I can do anything with it. I will get creative. But I will be using this for my wife's hair and my sister's hair 90% of the time. This Jamaican Black Castor Oil, when I used to use it, I used it as a clarifying shampoo to get the crap out your hair pretty much. So I'm going to wait till this wolf gets a little higher, and I'll use this shampoo on demo. You will know ahead of time. You already know, Curl and Shine conditioner. I'm just going to pair it with either shampoo. In this box, I have 2 shampoos and 2 conditioners. All of these shampoos and conditioners coexist together. They interact with each other. Similar ingredient profiles. They are compatible. So, stick around. And of course, the Daily Hydration Conditioner, 100% coconut oil. When it says daily hydration, they mean it. So once I start to do shower brushing, I'll be using this as a shower brush conditioner, okay? So I will keep you guys updated on every move I make with all of these products. So I'm looking forward, after I get off this video with you guys, I'm going to record my demo and review of these 2. I will continue to pair these 2 for my washing styles, for everything for the next few weeks. You will get full reviews, ingredient detail, strengths and weaknesses, scent, how the scent smells, ratings, consistency, everything. You're going to get everything, okay? We're going hard on the Sheamoisture Sheabassador, okay? So let me know if there's anything you saw in this video that you have tried or are currently using. Let me know how you like it. Let me know in the comments anything that you saw in this box that you would like for me to use next. Okay? So, thank you everybody, man. I'm excited. Let's get to the money. It's your girl G3, Sheabassador 2019, live from the 313. Deuces.